So I want to talk a little bit about the benefits of the RoboTrex system over a standard palletized system. Right now, if you want to put a palletized system on an existing machine, I think you're going to find that that's very hard to do. You got to buy that palletized system up front with your CNC. RoboTrex, we can put it on any existing CNC machine that you have available, or we'll put it on your new machine as well. I think a huge benefit of the cart system versus a palletized system is where a palletized system, I'm going to call one vise at a time, and that robot or that mechanism is going to present that part, that one pallet to the operator. He's going to change the material, put the material back in, send it back to its position, and do that over and over and over again. And that's going to be 3 minutes per vise, let's say. Okay, if I take a RoboTrex system and I got 30 parts or up to 42 parts per cart, I could take that cart out, I can swap the materials on 30 or 42 vices in 10 to 15 minutes. So now 10, 15 minutes versus 2 hours of pallet exchange time. So the RoboTrex system is going to save you 8 times the amount of labor every time you touch the workpiece, and we have to do a workpiece exchange. So we're talking 8 times the amount of labor savings every single part that you machine.